you have the dedication and the mindset, no one can stop you from preparing for the KAPS exam in the time frame you decide for yourself. So, if you are aiming to prepare for the KAPS exam anytime soon, we have the perfect preparation strategy. While we do not recommend leaving your exam attempt only to 45 days of preparation, we have created a tentative schedule that you can follow to prepare for the KAPS exam in the shortest time possible. In this video, we'll break down a strategic study plan to help you tackle each week effectively. Let's dive into week 1, focusing on pharmacology and therapeutics. This week revolves around the autonomic nervous system and central nervous system. First up will be the autonomic nervous system. You can cover parasympathomimetic, parasympatholytic, sympathomimetic, and sympatholytic drugs. Dive deep into drug interactions, side effects, mechanism of action, and structure. Remember, learning recalls of related topics together will reinforce your understanding. Moving on to week 2, the cardiovascular system that takes the spotlight. Start by exploring antihypertensive, anti-anginal, anti-rheumatic, anticoagulants, and antihyperlipidemics and heart failure drugs. Pay special attention to mechanism of action, drug actions, uses, side effects, and frequently repeated doses. Week 3 is a double feature, pharmacology and medicinal chemistry. Antimicrobials including antibacterials, antifungals, antivirals, and antihelminthics are on the menu. Study side effects, contraindications, pregnancy, categories, and effects on the fetus. Structures for penicillin are crucial. Additionally, delve into endocrinology covering thyroid hormones, diabetes, and sex hormones. Remember, simultaneously recalls will reinforce your knowledge. In week 4, we shift gears to biopharmaceutics and calculations. Focus on ADME, that is absorption, distribution, metabolism, and excretion. Master dose calculations, half-life, shelf life, determination, drug clearance, and volume of distribution. Practice questions from recalls to solidify your understanding. Week 5 brings chemistry and other topics into limelight. You can concentrate on stereochemistry, understanding the difference between optical isomers, geometrical isomers, enantiomers, and diastereomers. Brush up on basic organic chemistry, amine, amide, indole, and quinol structures. Explore functional group chemistry. Cover miscellaneous topics like drugs for asthma, laxatives, herbal drugs, vitamins, anti-cancer drugs, and vaccines. Recall related topics simultaneously. Finally, in week 6, it's all about revisions. Revise major systems, CNS, CVS, and ANS. Attempt at least one mock for both paper 1 and paper 2. Revise all your recalls. Additionally, prepare a list of drugs causing hepatotoxicity, renal failure, phototoxicity, cholestic jaundice, and identify drugs contraindicated in pregnancy and lactation. If you follow this schedule to the core, we are sure you can get the maximum results from your 45-day preparation. However, you have to take care of few tips to ensure your preparation is robust. Tip number 1. Practice mock tests regularly. Tip number 2. Note your weak points and work on them. Tip number 3. Right after learning a topic, practice some questions and test your knowledge. Tip number 4. Focus on practical learning over theoretical knowledge. Tip number 5. Take risks and breaks to ensure to stay fresh while you are studying. There you have it, a detailed 6-week study plan to ace the KAPS exam. However, to ensure short success, getting expert help is mandatory. An expert can help you learn the complex topics in the best way and provide you with the exact resources you need for the preparation. Academically offers a cost-effective KAPS crash course for dedicated pharmacists who have the zeal to learn and clear the KAPS course in around 60 days. This resources-packed course helps you with everything you need, including recorded lectures to clear the exam on the first attempt, and read more about the course in the description below. So that was all for today. Hope our video helps you in one way or the other. Stay focused, stay motivated. Best of luck on your journey to becoming a certified pharmacist. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe.